So today we're going to be doing a Dorso glute injection with the auto injector today. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Dorsal glute injections are not my favorite. We do them in clinic a lot for when a provider is administering injections, but for self-administered injections, really not my favorite. And there's a couple of reasons why. Because of mobility, it's just a fairly difficult injection site for people to reach. I would check out our other videos on our site, on our YouTube channel for example, the vent glute injection site here, because it is just so much easier to reach in this area. So how do you locate the dorsogluteal injection site? That's going to be by basically finding the top of the butt crack, and from there just going over, that's your landmark, to this upper outer quadrant of the cheek. So divide that in quarters, and then you'll go for that upper outer quadrant. And the main risk of this injection site as to why we don't really like it, if somebody was, for example, too far in and then too far down in that gluteus maximus area, the sciatic nerve does kind of run down through that area, so you have the potential for hitting that. But as long as you stay high enough and then far enough to the outside, you're not going to have any issues. So again, right around this area here, very easy to locate. I get asked more often than anything, why don't you aspirate? And I'll tell you why. Because aspiration really is no longer standard of care for most injection sites, so that's why we don't do it. And so you can, if you feel more safe aspirating, I can just tell you that we have done tens of thousands of injections here in our clinic. We have never had a single bad outcome. I am using a 1 cc luer lock syringe with a 25 gauge 1-inch needle. We'll pull the mechanism back, remove the safety, and put it on the injection site, hit the button, and now just depress the plunger. There will be no bleeding of any kind unless you hit a little vessel, capillary. You really don't feel the pain at all. You hit the button, it's instantaneous. It's a great product. It's not only good for people that have anxiety, any phobias related to that needle stick, but even if you don't have it, people just like it because it's just so easy to administer.